Welcome to the GlitchSip channel. In this video, I'm going to explain step-by-step how chunks work in Minecraft and how to calculate them correctly. In this case, we get an integer number, which gives us 16. Here, the number that gives us an integer value would be 46. We're going to move towards 736. In this case, from 739, we need to move towards 736. So we turn around, and we would be right here. Based on this, we can now do the calculation to continue with the chunk generation process. Once this step is finished, we are now here. This is going to be our starting point. What we're going to do is always count this point as 1. Now we choose our map, and for example, if we're looking over here on the other side, we always need to look to the right, meaning this direction. From here, what we're going to do is count. So we count this block as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Then we go back to our starting point. Now we're going to do the same thing, but in another direction. We were going to the right, now we're going to go downward, following the map. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. In this way, as you can see, we already have part of the chunk. The only thing left to do is to keep connecting it with the rest of the chunk so we can complete it without any problem. We just need to finish it like this, and as you can see, this would already be one chunk. It's something very easy to do. The main thing is the initial calculation, because from here, if we want to get another chunk next to it, we simply count again from this point. So now we start again with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then we continue on the other side. 1, 2, 3, and so on successively until we reach the end. At that point, we would already have 2 chunks. As you can see, it's not complicated at all. It's actually quite simple. At the beginning, it can be a bit confusing because of the integer numbers, but it's really just a matter of practice. And as you can see here, in this case, we already have 2 chunks inside our Minecraft world. This part also needs to be completed because logically, we start counting from 1 here as well. Now we have 2 chunks that are equal, because that's exactly what chunks are. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video here on GlitchSip.